Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, vlogs, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to do a kind of a spontaneous type of video. It's the 20 must-have 24 life fragrances. I don't think I've ever done this video on my channel. But yeah, so it's a whole zombie apocalypse outside, and I need to pick out 20 fragrances that I need to be taking in my book bag to go live in the wilderness, okay? Because I can't leave my fragrances, okay? So I thought about timing myself, but then I was like, the video gonna be too short if I time myself. So I think this is what we'll do. I'll go ahead and time myself picking them, and then I'll show y'all why I picked what I picked. How about that? How about that? So, okay, if I gotta pick 20, how much time should I give myself? I mean, 1 minute? Ooh, I don't know about 1 minute, y'all. That's... Can I get some time to think? I mean, the zombies is probably still downtown. They ain't quite at my house yet, so I got a little time. Can I give myself 2 minutes? I'm going to give myself 2 minutes. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, let me pull this tray over here. Because I got to be able to put them down real quick. Okay, and I got to time myself. So let's get the phone. Let's time ourselves. 2 minutes. I'm scared. I'm so scared. 2 minutes. All right, ready, set. Okay, I ain't gonna cheat. Go. Okay. 1, 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Let's see. 9. Oh, this is gonna be easy. I think 10. I think 11. 12. Ooh, this is harder than I thought, child. Hold on. Slow down. Time slow down. Ooh, 13. 14. Oh, I got a lot of time. I gave myself too much time. 15. 16. Let's see. I'm gonna go with 17. Ooh. 18. 19. Ooh. Dang. Hold on. That's hard. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. Y'all, this is hard. Shoot. Okay, how many I got? Okay, 1. I got 26 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think I picked the wrong one. This is the wrong one. I got 8 seconds. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, 20. That was hard. I don't ever want to do that again. That was stressful. So, first one I picked, of course, is BR540 The Extrait. Y'all know I love this. It reminds me of my dad. I wore this to his funeral, and every time I wear it, I think about him in a positive, happy way. And it just gives me so much confidence because he always instilled confidence in me. And I just love this. This was one of my first niche perfumes. And I felt like I was like, you know, grown, big girl or whatever when I got it. Like, okay, I want to smell like money and baccarat. Okay. But yeah, so BR540 The Extrait has to be one of them. I also got Oud Satin Mood. This is the Extrait Oud Satin Mood, which I like better than the original. For me, this one is a little more feminine, but it's still, you know, definitely unisex. Girl, compliment getter, powerful rose oud. It's got some cinnamon in it. It's sweet. The projection is off the chain. Like, the performance is top tier. It's sexy. Like, this right here had to come. Resendo number 5. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It might not look like it from the den, but that's probably why I don't be using it that much, because I love it down. I love it so much. This is that like musky, what did it say on here? Yeah, floral, musk, amber, yeah. And that's what you get, florals, musk, and amber. But y'all know why I like it, because that rubbery weird note that other people don't like, and I love it. It's super sexy, it's super sweet, it's the performance is top tier. Like, you just cannot lose with this. Like, when you wear this, you're gonna get compliments and you're gonna smell amazing, and nobody's really around you gonna smell like you. Like, Rosendo number 5 is that girl for me. Ambrosia. Of course, Ambrosia Imperial had to be in here. This is one of the most unique fragrances in my collection. Great performance, sexy. It's giving me a little gourmand, a little sexy saffron. It's giving me that banana, which I have none of in any other fragrance that I have. And y'all, Ambrosia is that girl. She's top tier. I just love her down, and I can't be without her. Angel's Share. So of course Angel Share had to be in here. This is also a unique fragrance in my collection. One of my first type of niche fragrances. It's that boozy apple pie, but still sexy and dark and rich and all of that. And I love it down. I've seen girls wearing this in the summer lately. I don't know why, but whatever. But to each his own. But for me, this is definitely a fall winter fragrance. It reminds you of the holidays, and you just feel happy when you wear it. You feel happy if you wear it to a holiday party. You feel sexy when you wear it on date night. Like, love me some Angel Share. I feel like I pulled a lot of like fall winter stuff. I don't know why, but you know, Blanche Bette. Now I don't wear this that often, but I love this fragrance, and that's probably why I don't reach for it so often. I need to reach for it more for sure. But it's milky and lactonic, creamy, tuberosy, sweet, thick, great performance. Like, I just love it down. I'm gonna get ate by the bears with this on in the woods. Like, I don't know why I'm picking it. I know why I'm picking it, but I'm gonna be smelling real good out there in the wilderness. Okay, let's go to something clean and fresh. Soleil Neige. Now, I love this, and I love it because it's clean and fresh, soapy florals. It just smells good and kind of like cold snow florals. Like, I just love this because it smells so good. Now, did I want to pick Soleil Blanc? I did want to pick Soleil Blanc, but I have something that's kind of like Soleil Blanc, so I went for this because I wanted it because it's so clean and fresh and soapy, and you know, you out there in the woods, you want to be smelling clean, right? You want to be smelling clean and soapy and fresh, so I went with Soleil Neige. And I feel like Soleil Neige is a year-round fragrance too. The girl that gave me all the feels and still does, the one and only Delina Exclusive. Like, this is definitely still my favorite Delina. Love Rosé, love the original, but if I had to choose, it's always going to be Delina Exclusive. This reminds me of happy times. This reminds me of my birthday. Like, when I first got it, I wore it to my birthday dinner and I smelled amazing. I got so many compliments. The performance on it is all day and tomorrow. Like, I love this for me, and it just made me really fall in love with Rose, and like the way I'm in love with Rose now, and I just love it. The bottle's beautiful and pretty and just makes me happy. And ooh, I'm like down here on it, and I don't like that. Here's a good summer one. Talea. I love Talea. Talea smells so good, so tropical, fruity, but still has that Tiziana Terenzi DNA. It's got good performance. It transports you. It really does transport you to a tropical vacation, a tropical island. It's just like something you spray on and mentally you're somewhere else. And that's exactly why I absolutely love this. And the bottle's gorgeous. The bottle is beautiful. It makes me want to go to the water. Like, girl, I should do a video of the best bottles in my collection, because this would definitely be one of them. Passion de l'Amour. Y'all, this is my one and only cupcake. Not that I don't want more. I definitely want more cupcakes. But I still feel like no matter what other cupcakes I get, this is always going to be my favorite one. This is a sexy ass fragrance. Like, I love this down. It's sweet. It's got a little, I think it's got oud in it, but the oud is blended to perfection. Like, this will make you fall in love with oud. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's feminine, it's womanly, it's a little sexy. It smells like saffron, a little bit of fruits. I just want to do the shimmy when I smell this, girl. It just smells so good. I love I could pull it out all year if I want to, but it's definitely a nighttime fragrance. Like, I love it down. It's just so, so good. If you have not smelled Passion de l'Amour and you're into like sexy, deep ouds and sweetness and saffron and all of that, check this out, please. It's so good. Hibiscus Mahajad. This is such a compliment getter. This is definitely a rose fragrance, so I'm a rose lover. So, but this is so freaking good. You can layer it so well with other fragrances. It's something about that mint that's in here that gives this like a, I don't know, it's like roses and spearmint. I know that sounds weird, but on the body, on the skin, on the clothes, it's so good. The hibiscus in here gives it a nice little twist. It's something in here that's a little sweet too. It's not too sweet, it's a little sweet. And I think it's like some leather in here too. Like this, so good. And when I say compliment getter, like people just smell this and be like, you smell so good. And they ask you what it is and you tell them and they be like, I knew it was something expensive. And it is, girl, it is. Love this. Okay, what's next? Ooh, this was one of my babies. Tobacco Rose. Tobacco Rose does not get as much hype as Gris Charnel and Passe Soir, but Tobacco Rose is good. Like I love this one even more than Gris Charnel. Gris Charnel definitely could have been in the picks though, but you know I only had to pick 20. So, but I love Tobacco Rose. It's rose. It's chocolate. It must be some kind of saffron or something in here. Oh, this is a sexy fragrance. It really is. I feel like if you like Oud Bouquet, which is also here, let's go ahead and get her. Oud Bouquet by Lancôme. This is a bomb fragrance. This also made me love oud because it's so sweet and thick and dense and rich. And I feel like if you love this, you'll love this too. So maybe I didn't need both of them, but they had to come with me, both of them. I got 2 Bond number 9s. I should have got one for summer, but I didn't. So I've got Tribeca and I got Greenwich Village. So I got Greenwich Village because it does kind of remind me of BR540, but it's like a little, I ain't gonna say sweeter, but it does have a sweetness. It's something slightly different in this one though. Like, and I just really, really enjoy it. And then this one is also like BR540 with a little coffee, little chocolatey hazelnut going on. So like this will be my spring summer. This will be my fall winter. So yeah, I love these down, both of these. Dang, now I'm thinking about it. I should have got Nolita. I should have got sent a piece for her. Like we needed some summertime Bond number 9s, but hey, couldn't pick them all. So I did pick Bora Bora, and the reason why I picked Bora Bora is because it reminds me of kind of all my other coconut vanilla fragrances like Soleil Blanc, but the performance on this is even better than that. Okay, so if I wanted a coconut vanilla type of fragrance, this is what I would reach for. Yeah, it smells so good, giving you that coconut vanilla beachy kind of vibe and really good performance. Dang, I left Bianco Latte. See, this is why this video was way too hard. I feel like I need to do this again. We need to do it again. And I gotta pick 20 more fragrances. Cavort. Cavort is so freaking good. This is definitely my favorite Fragrance du Bois fragrance in my collection. It's sexy, it's date night, it's beautiful, womanly. Like, she got money, honey. Like, she just knows what she wants. She know what she needs. She got it already. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just cannot play with her. Dang, this is good. This, I feel like if you like Passion de l'Amour, you would probably like this one too. They are definitely different. I've even layered them together. Girl, that combination, I did a layering video and that combination was in there. Them two together, girl, you talking about your partner wanting to jump all over you, girl. And then the performance on both of them, girl. Oh goodness, this is so good. This is so good. I need to put this on my next tray, honey. I ain't wore this in a minute. Overture by Xerjoff. So I do have quite a few Xerjoffs. I could have definitely picked La Capitale. That probably would have been the next one that I would have picked. But this one I love because it's different. It's a fig fragrance, and it's like no other fragrance in my collection. It's almost hard to explain what it smells like. Like, you literally have to smell it for yourself. Oh man, that fig is sweet and just creamy almost. And then there's some other things in here. I don't know if it's like a little incense, or I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it, but this is definitely a beautiful scent. I like to wear it on date night. I mean, I guess if the zombies coming to get us, I ain't going on no dates, but honey, I don't know, because me and Dad gonna have to build us a little fire and have us a little fire lit date night and grill a squirrel or something. I don't know, girl. I don't know what to tell you, but we gonna have us a date night long as we living, okay? Absolute Aphrodisiac. Now this one I got because it's vanilla, but it's like a sexy vanilla. Now it does have that, what's the note that's in here? Is it civet? So it does have a little bit of an animalic touch, but I feel like that gives it like a sexy skin smell. I don't feel like it smells like an animal. I hate when they show that little picture on Fragrantica though, because you be like, ugh, why you show that little rat? Don't know why you want to see that. Oh, this smells so good. This is just a beautiful, sexy, grown-up vanilla. So I left all my little girly, foo-foo little vanillas behind, and I went with my sexy, grown woman vanilla. Hopefully the animalic note doesn't attract any animals or anything like that. But yeah, bro. This one of my favorite vanillas in my collection. Good performance, too. Okay, last is a Triumph of Bacchus by Argos. So this is going to give you your tobacco. This one has like spices in it, like warm spices like cinnamon, and it's a great performer. It's definitely unisex. It leans on the masculine side, and women are super duper attracted to this fragrance. When I wear it, I get compliments mostly from all women, and I love it. It's great. I do. It almost reminds you of the holidays too, kind of how Angel Share does. But it just reminds you of cold weather, warm and cozy, but a little sexy. Like, it's not giving sweater and cardigan, it's giving fur coat. Okay, it's giving I'm going on a date in my fur coat, and I want to smell a little spicy, a little smoky. Like, yes, I love me some Triumph of Bacchus. I could have definitely picked Palace Athene and Birth of Venus, but I went with my fave. I had to go with my fave. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope it was fun for y'all like it was fun for me. I thought it would be fun to try something different. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know if you had to grab you some fragrances, okay? Because the zombie apocalypse is coming. They down the street, and you got 2 minutes to pick your fragrances. Now, you ain't got to give me all 20, but at least give me top 3. Give me top 3 of your fragrances that you would pick, and you got to run out the house into the woods, okay? You got to go, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share. Of course, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.